Today I am going to discuss about the concept of flowchart and types of flowchart symbols. What is flowchart? Flowchart is a diagrammically representations and data control through the processing systems. The flowchart are nothing but a graphically representation of the data or algorithms better to understanding the code visually. It is the display setup step-by-step solutions of the problems, algorithms, and process. The flowchart is a picture of the box that indicates the process follow sequence. Flowchart symbols: terminal, process, input or output, decision, connector, predefined process. This is the chart of flowchart of the symbols. Uses of the flowcharts in a computer. Complex programs can be mm, drawn in a simple way of using a flowchart. The complex problems are on the algorithms and process is can be drawn in a simple way and using the flowchart. The flowchart is the basic setup for designing a new process or adding extra features. Communication with other people becomes easy by the drawing a flowchart and sharing them. When you to use a flowchart, it is the most importantly used to when program new programmers and make a new project and make a new projects and the programmer. When you flowchart of the process are drawn, the programmer understands the non-useful parts of the process. When you flowchart is process the drawn and programmer easily understanding the non-useful parts of the process. The flowchart are used to separate sound logic from the wanted parts. Flowchart types of symbols of boxes. Terminal is a oval in shaped when you using the it indicates for start or end of the program. Input or output, it is the parallelogram shaped box inside each input or output are the written. Process is a rectangular box inside which a programmer writes the main program's codes or action to the algorithm or main logic of the program. What is connector? Connector is the circle shape, is drawing to without interesting intersecting lines or without a reverse follow. Predefined process, it is the invoke of subwritten or an interpret programs. What is flow lines? It is the shows direction of the flow. What is the decision? It is the diamond shaped. It is user ask the questions is can to answer a binary format. Yes or no type answer. Example of the flowchart is determined to the finding a largest numbers. It is the terminal box. It is the output or input. It is the decision. Is a decision making it to it is the input. It is the input. Is the end is the terminal point. It is sum of the two numbers. This is the starting point is considered as a terminal point. It is the input or output. It is the process can the it is the uh, input or output. It is terminal considered as a starting point or ending point.